Governor Strickland, lately your administration seems a bit confused about the recent move of Ohio job giant NCR from Dayton down to Georgia. I quote Lieutenant Governor Lee Fisher, "NCR makes ATMs. And to me, this is equivalent to going to your ATM and finding out that the bank that you and your family have banked with for 125 years has, without even talking to you, transferred all your funds to another company." In other statements all over the media, the Strickland administration has gone on to complain about NCR not even taking their calls to find out what they needed to do to stay in Ohio. "We had to simply guess what the company needed and wanted," they said. Well, a statement from NCR itself sheds a little light on what they wanted. I quote, "The decision was based on broad range of criteria, which included available workforce, infrastructure, incentives given, the government tax structure, and benefits to NCR." Wait. What was that? That last part. The decision was based on a broad range of criteria, which included government tax structure. Yep, it seems Ohio's business tax climate, being 47th in the nation, doesn't exactly make the state an attractive place to do business. Of course, I guess we can be happy we're not 57th.
And over the last 15 months, we've traveled to every corner of the United States. I've now been in 57 states.
So let me make this easy for the Strickland administration, who seems so confused as to why NCR wouldn't take his calls and left Ohio for greener pastures down south. You want to know why they left, Governor? Ohio's taxes are too high. I hope that helps.